must remain seated and hold on tight at all times.
Hold on to any cameras.
And don't put your arms outside the vehicle.
You're now in an area where flamingos have been sighted. I love these incredible birds.
They are easily identified by their pink plumage after spending time standing on one leg.
I can stand on one leg.
And did you know that flamingos are not all pink?
Yes, the colour comes from their diet of strips and wool. Cool, eh?
As you continue on your journey, remember that all of our expedition vehicles are fitted with the very latest in satellite tracking technology, so we can keep track of you throughout your journey.
Keep your eyes peeled here. These strange rock carvings are very old and we're not sure exactly what they mean.
We think they might be a warning to local tribesmen to stay away from an ancient cave, but we're not sure why. Keep an eye out, researchers. Our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, camelopardalis.
They got their name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard.
Put the two together and you get camelopardalis.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation Fund supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 metres. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow! That's as fast as a truck.
Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of the trees for their favourite snack, leaves.
They also sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's because they spend all day eating.
They're just wonderful.
Which is why it's vital we continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species.
They are magnificent creatures. I call them jolly tall.
Magnificent beasts.
What's that?
Rhino!
The rhino around the reserve are white rhino. Now you may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung.
Rhino dung? What, poo?
Yes, male rhinos like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their dung to warn off other males.
Their impressive horns are made from a chemical which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails, and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
The white rhino, though, like those here, are the most plentiful species.
I think rhinos are super cool.
Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
Oh no.
It looks like an abandoned vehicle, and there's no sign of a research team it belongs to. We recommend that you find an alternative route.
But don't go too far off the track.
What about the cave?
Don't need to worry.
Beware of the what? What are we bewaring of? We're in the cave, and the shutters are broke. Well, that was interesting.
Researchers, can you hear us? What happened out there?
We lost you
That
for
is
a
a
moment.
good question.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now please remain fully seated until you're back at base, where a member of our expedition team will tell you when it's safe to leave the vehicle.
Thanks for joining us.
What a wild adventure that was.
We hope to see you again soon, here at Zufari.
Goodbye, everyone. We're here